Hi, I'm Phil from the Bristol Bay Code Factory, and in this tutorial we're going to look about exporting images. The Export tool is the third tab in the sidebar. First of all, you need to create an export pattern. Select the pattern for editing, and then you can choose the format, quality and size of the images you want. You can decide whether you want to add the metadata or just a copyright notice, and then choose the export folder. We'll put this on our desktop. You can decide what happens if the file already exists there, and now we can get onto file naming patterns. If you don't specify anything, we'll use the original file name. You can also specify a pattern for the folder. Let's do that here. I'm actually going to use the photographs rating. Now select the images that you wish to export and click Export. If we look on the desktop, you'll see now we have a set of images labelled with the stars, and in those we have our images. Note, you can define multiple patterns in here. And then you can enable and disable them to export against all of them in one go. Well, that was a whistle-stop tour through the Export tool. Check out our other videos to learn more about PhotoOrganista's powerful functionality.